Hi everyone, Lindsay here with another Mobility Monday. We're doing glute mobility and strength. So find yourself in a comfortable position on the floor and grab yourself a tennis ball. And we're going to do some self-massage. You're going to stick it into your bum muscle basically. So if you can have a look at the photograph that I've attached, the image of your gluteal muscles, just to give you an idea of what it is that you're trying to relieve. So I tend to think of the gluteal muscle as just a massive circle. Okay, so you can start at the top and work your way around, getting right around the edges and obviously into the center. So see, I'm just really just rolling and rocking back and forward very gently. If I find a spot, I'll just stay on it for a little bit longer. Not long, we're not trying to elicit pain. What you're trying to do is just stimulate the nerve fibers so that it sends a message to your brain and nervous system just to relax a little bit. If you don't have a tennis ball but you do have a foam roller, you can perch yourself on that. So slide yourself onto it. Get yourself into the same figure 4 position. Play around with the positioning so that you've got your one glute muscle on the roller, and again roll back and forward. What you'll find with the foam roller is that it's not quite so intense. It's a larger surface area that is working rather than the tennis ball, which might feel a bit pokey. So gently back and forward. Next mobility move. Lying on the floor, we're going to get ourselves into that figure 4 position. You're going to clasp your hands around your knee and you're going to take that knee towards your shoulder, your opposite shoulder. So it's a kind of gluteal stretch with a bit of a crossover. Okay. Cross body stretch, I like to call it. Same on the other side. Over to the opposite shoulder. Make quite a bit of contact with your knee so that you feel quite secure. Put a pillow under your head if you need to. Don't lift your head off the floor when you're doing this. Third and final mobility move, we're staying in the same position. But you've all probably done this stretch before. Just grab behind the leg and bring that thigh towards you. Just as the arrow suggests, bring that leg, that bent leg, towards you. Or, if you can't get down onto the floor, or if you can't bring your leg towards you, if you can't clasp behind the knee, I'm here, it's kind of like a reverse press-up position. So I'm bending my elbows, and then as I push up, I should feel a stretch in that bent leg in the bum muscle. Sternum towards the sky. Easy. Moving on to some strength work. So I've got a band tied into a knot, and all we're going to do are band-aid kickbacks. You don't need to use a band, and mine's is quite a tight band. I'm not getting very far, which is the point. That arrow there indicates that I've just turned my foot out to about 45 degrees. Initially, if you start with a straight leg, you take your heel back, and after a few repetitions, just here, I'm just taking my leg straight back, and it's the entire leg, not just the ankle. See the arrows, bum, thigh, ankle, backwards. Then we're going to turn the foot out, a slight angle, and do the same. Final strength move, lateral tap downs. Get yourself something sturdy but not very high to stand on. Those arrows indicate don't let your knee cave inwards. Okay, so from the knee and from that outside glute, push outwards. keep your leg outwards and activate those muscles. And we're just bend and tap. And it's the leg that's on the box or the step that you should be feeling it in. It's that glute muscle that we're working. Final time. Up, bend, and tap. Easy. As many repetitions, I would say between maybe 12 and 15 repetitions each side, a couple of times each side. And that, my